Join me as I dive into the world of HWH stock and challenge myself to figure out if it's really a good investment. HWH stock has been making waves in the market lately, with its impressive growth potential and promising financials. But is it really a good investment opportunity? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at HWH stock and explore its prospects. One of the main challenges facing HWH stock is its high valuation multiples. With a price-to-earnings ratio that's significantly higher than its industry average, investors need to consider whether the stock's growth potential justifies its premium valuation. Another challenge is the intense competition in the industry, which could eat into HWH's market share and revenue growth. Furthermore, regulatory changes and shifting consumer preferences could also impact the company's bottom line. And finally, HWH's dependence on a few key customers poses a significant risk to its revenue stream, as any loss of business from these customers could have a material impact on the company's financials. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to examine HWH's financial performance and market trends. The company has reported strong revenue growth in recent quarters, driven by its expanding product portfolio and increasing market share. Additionally, HWH's operating margins have been improving, suggesting that the company is becoming more efficient in its operations. Industry experts are also optimistic about the company's growth prospects, with many analysts predicting double-digit revenue growth over the next few years. However, it's worth noting that HWH's valuation is still rich compared to its peers, which could make it vulnerable to a correction if market sentiment shifts. Digging deeper into the financials, we can see that HWH has a strong balance sheet with minimal debt and a significant cash pile. This provides the company with the flexibility to invest in growth initiatives and return capital to shareholders. The company's management team has also been executing well on its strategy, with a proven track record of delivering on its promises. However, the high valuation multiples do suggest that investors are pricing in a lot of optimism, which could make the stock vulnerable to disappointment if the company doesn't meet its growth targets. Another key insight is that HWH's business is highly cyclical, with revenue growth closely tied to the overall health of the economy. This means that investors need to be prepared for potential volatility in the stock price. One of the key turning points that could influence the decision to invest in HWH stock is the company's ability to execute on its growth strategy. If HWH can continue to expand its product portfolio and increase its market share, it's likely that the stock will continue to perform well. However, if the company struggles to deliver on its growth promises, the stock could be in for a rough ride. Another key factor is the overall market sentiment, with shifts in investor appetite for risk potentially impacting the stock's valuation. And finally, the company's ability to navigate regulatory changes and shifting consumer preferences will also be crucial in determining its long-term success. In summary, HWH stock presents a compelling investment opportunity, but it's not without its risks. Potential investors need to carefully consider the company's valuation, growth prospects, and management team's execution abilities before making a decision. With the right research and due diligence, HWH stock could be a great addition to your investment portfolio. So, what do you think about HWH stock? Are you bullish or bearish on its prospects? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other investment analysis videos for more insights and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.